Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Geneva County in southeastern Alabama, south central Houston County in southeastern Alabama, northwestern Jackson County in Florida, eastern Holmes County in Florida, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Graceville, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Graceville, Geneva, Bonifay, Hartford, Slocum, Malvern, Estill, Madrid, Milma, Black, Chancellor, Kelly's Crossroads, Garrett's Crossroads, Ten Hill Crossing, Southern Junction, Geneva Municipal Airport, Holland Crossroads, Merritt's Crossroads, Hendricks Crossroad, and Light. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Holmes, Florida. These are the 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions.